publishers. And with that, please welcome on stage Bullseye Press.
Hello, hello.
Bullseye Press.
Hello.
Welcome, as always, a pleasure to have you here at Comic Con.
Hello, Bangalore.
And Bullseye Press, this time you've really taken a shot and gone for the bull's eye with something that, I don't know, is this the first time that it has happened? That an Indian character that you created, a IP that was already in existence, is now a manga?
Exactly, yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes. So this is our first manga. The name of the book is Zalim Manga. It's based on our already established character Zalim Manja. Is one of the most popular character. I would like to show you the cover here.
Right, so Zalim Manja already existed?
Yeah, already existed. So we wanted to try our hands in manga because, you know, manga is like, everybody's reading manga, so why not? So we wanted to make manga, and we published, we're launching today Zalim Manga. It's a 224-inch thick one-shot volume, start to finish. So I would like to introduce Tushar. Tushar is an avid comic book reader and he's a YouTube reviewer. He's the first one to read the book. Okay. And I would like to know his views, and he
being a fan of Bullseye Comics, they are doing great in terms of the characters. We have seen few launches over the last few Comic Cons. And Zalim Manja essentially is 3 books that have come so far in the classic comic format. So there was 1 and 2 and the origin that was released in the last Comic Con Bangalore edition. So we were often asked about, like, are you having any manga because of the craze of manga and anime? And also the character is pretty wild, like in terms of, you know, occult, black magic, kind of universe was aligning with the manga sort of sensibility. And Ravi and team came up with this exciting book, and I read it last night, and I'm just overwhelmed with the kind of art, and it's really fantastic. You have to see it for yourself. So come pick it up at G5 and G6, and we would love to know what manga fans think of it, because there is splash pages, there is demon hunters, and there's a lot of humor in it, and the story is based out of Delhi. Now Zalim Manja
based out of Delhi, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, wow.
And supernatural kind of domain.
Do you have any more sort of?
We have here actually. If you can focus on the page, we can show the one
like
of the
maybe
page.
If you could get a live feed, a live camera. Okay, is it possible to get a live camera on the stage and then zoom in on this fantastic mid-spread? I can see it, but I would love for you guys to see it as well.
I can do it, I don't know. And also we have the Hindi variant also for the North Indian readers.
A manga in Hindi?
Yeah, that's a new thing, exciting new thing.
But the manga in English, so already, you know, it's out there because you would expect it in Japanese. But then now we have a manga in Hindi as well.
Yeah, you can say we are the first one to publish manga in English and Hindi simultaneously.
Wow.
So
that's crazy.
Another new thing that we are doing in this book is now in issues of Zalim Manja, he would travel to like a infirmary, or, you know, to Kolkata's, you know, dark lanes and so on. But in this one, what the writer has done is introduce 2 new characters. So there is a character of a god and a demon hunter. So there is Karthik and Dhwan. Now Dhwan is exciting because he is the guitar god. So he's the god of guitar and an actual god also. So you have to read the rest, but this is just like the premise of this manga book.
The god of guitar.
Yeah.
The book is full of sense of like good. It has a good
and
sense
it's called
of humor.
Dhwan as in Dhwani.
Dhwan. Dhwan is the god of guitar.
The god of guitar. Yeah, we have a god of guitar now. We created a new god actually.
Wow. I mean, you know, there'll be a lot of arguments over who is the god of guitar. Some will go with Van Halen. Some will say, "Nahi, Steve Vai hai."
Malmsteen.
Huh? Malmsteen?
Malmsteen,
yeah, Yngwie Malmsteen. But wow, fascinating. Is this god of guitar like an amalgamation of all these sort of super? Does he shred really fast?
So
like
for that you have to read the book.
Okay, we have to read the book to know who.
He's one of the main character of the book.
Okay.
Yeah, the story is based on him actually. The focus of the story is on him.
All right. So Zalim Manga available now in English and Hindi. Where can people get their hands on it?
On our booth, Bullseye Press, 5 and G6.
G5 and G6,
G6, yes.
Bullseye Press.
Yes.
That's where Zalim Manga is available. And online as well, if someone wants to.
Yeah, it's on bullseyepress.in.
Okay.
And Mr. Nilesh is our co-publisher. It's available on his website,
Hello,
comicsadda.com.
Okay.
You can order from there also.
Comicsbazaar.com.
Comicsadda.com.
Comicsadda.com.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any more sort of cutouts,
Unfortunately,
something?
we don't have right now.
Okay, no worries. And the live feed just didn't happen.
So anybody can come to the booth and check the flip to the pages, and they can read few pages if they like. The book is there on display, and
Right.
if they like, they can pick
And
it
do
up.
you have some sneak peek on Instagram as well? Like
Yeah,
what
we do
I
have.
have
We have
done a
many
small
pages.
review of it today morning, so they
Uh-huh.
can visit my page or Bullseye page on Instagram.
We have many sneak peek pages on the Bullseye Press and Instagram and Facebook social pages.
All right. Well, you've heard it. Go check out Zalim Manga in English and Hindi at G5 and G6. Always a pleasure to have you here, guys. Let's
you
hear
so
it once
much.
again for Bullseye Press.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.